Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by enabling generative AI in Preferences and opening the image you will change. Once done, duplicate the background so you have a non-destructive copy and select the exact area using lasso or object selection. Make sure to refine the selection edge by 1.5 pixels to avoid hard masks. You do this now because clean selections guide the model. Clearer input produces better, predictable output. Keep your layers organized and name them so you can revert if needed. You input a concise prompt into Generative Fill describing what you want, for example, sunset sky with warm orange tones, soft clouds. Then choose sampling and style that match your image, realistic or painterly, and generate 2 to 3 variations so you can compare. Once you have a result you like, refine edges with a feathered mask and the brush tool to blend seams. Make sure to toggle opacity and layer blend modes to integrate color and light naturally, which keeps the edit believable. You finish by creating a flattened copy for export while preserving the layered PSD for future edits. This protects your non-destructive workflow. Next, unify tones with color match, levels, and a tiny amount of grain so the generated area matches the original texture. Export as PNG or JPG depending on use. If you see artifacts or odd shapes, try rerunning Generative Fill with a slightly different prompt or smaller selection. And if needed, clean remaining issues manually with Clone Stamp or Healing Brush.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.